In this video, I would like to teach about what is electric power. Electric power. How we can define the term electric power? Electric power can be defined as the rate of work done in time t. So we can define as the rate of work done in time t is called electric power. We can write in formula electric power or power. Electric power we can write as a power also equal to work done in time t. It is actually the formula of electric power, the work done in time t. Already we know about voltage. What is voltage? Voltage V equal to work done to carry a charge from one point to another point is called voltage or potential difference. For example, if you take it is as a conductor, a Q charge is there. If I move this Q charge from one point to another point, then it is called voltage. So voltage can be defined as work done to move a Q charge from one point to another point is called voltage. So you can write this as a work W equal to Q into V. We know already about this. We know that. And also we know one more thing. What is current? Current nothing but current I equal to moving of a charge in the time t. Movement of the charges in the conductor is called current, you know. So for example, if it is a conductor, the movement of a charge Q from one point to another point, the flow of charges in the time t is called current. So I equal to Q by t. It is also well known to us. From these equations, look at here, electric power, work done by time. So electric power, power equal to work done. What is work done at here? Work equal to Q into V. So Q into V by T. Are clear? Look at here. At here, Q by T means what? Q by T means, look at here, Q by T means I. So in the place of Q by T, we can write I. So I am writing power equal to I into V. Power equal to I into V. So power equal to I into V. So I will consider this as a formula 1. It is a formula 1. We know already about Ohm's law. What Ohm's law state that? By Ohm's law, voltage V equal to I into R. We are well known. I am substituting this V equal to IR in the formula 1. So substituting in formula 1. Look at here. What is the formula 1? Power equal to I into V. I into V. In the place of V, you can write IR because V equal to IR. Then I am writing power equal to I into IR. I into IR. Why? V means IR. So in the place of V, I have written IR. So I into IR. From this, we can write I into I square R. So this is another formula of power. So it is also formula of power. So this is formula 2. This is formula 2. This is formula 2 for electric power. From this formula 2, I am dividing and multiplying with R. I am dividing by dividing and multiplying formula 2 with what? With R. With what? With R. So I am writing it at here. Look at here. So what is the formula 2? Power equal to I square, or this is the formula 2. What I am doing this? I am doing dividing and multiplying with R. So from that, power equal to I square R, I am dividing and multiplying with R. So into R by R. I square into R into R, R square by R. So you can write it as a power equal to I into R whole square by R. Look at here, dear students. IR means what? IR means what? V. Again, look at here. IR means what? V. So from this, power equal to, in the place of IR you can write V square R. This is formula 3. This is formula 3. So there are 3 formulas for electric power. We can use any formula to calculate electric power by taking given values. We have to use these different formulas by depending upon the data what given in the question. Are you clear, dear students? So there are 3 formulas. I am writing that formulas at the above. Power equal to IV. And another formula, what is another formula? Formula 2. Formula 2, nothing but power equal to I square R. I square R. What is the third formula? Power equal to V square by R. So these are the 3 formulas of electric power. We can use anything. So actually, power, what are the units of the power? Power units nothing but watts. What are the units? Watts denoted with this W. So you can write this formula W equal to IV, or you can write in another form W equal to I square R. You can write in another form W equal to V square by R. These are the 3 formulas of power. One more thing, dear students. Actually, you know, watts are the formula of electrical power, and 1 kilowatt equal to 1 kilowatt. kW, 1 kilowatt equal to 10 to the power of 3 watts. You have to remember this point. 1 kilowatt equal to 10 to the power of 3 watts. For example, 5 kilowatts means how much? 5 kilowatts means how much? 5 kilowatts means 5 into 10 to the power of 3 watts. That means 5000 watts. So 5 kilowatts equal to 5000 watts. We can convert kilowatts into watts and watts into kilowatts. Thanks for watching. Almost the electrical current chapter is completed, but we have a small pending, that is related to the Kirchhoff's first and second law mathematical problems. In the next video, I will explain about mathematical problems of Kirchhoff's law, like first law and second law. Don't miss that class. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling.